Hello everyone and welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. MicroStrategy stock rose 6.17% on Friday. This week, the stock has risen 21%. The current price has deviated significantly upward from the 5-day moving average. The main reason why the stock has surged this week is because the price of Bitcoin has increased by nearly 4% this week. However, the trading volume of the stock has increased significantly in the last 2 trading days, which shows that while the stock price has risen sharply, some capital has also flowed out of the stock. Additionally, Bitcoin prices fell slightly from Saturday to Sunday. In this case, the stock may next experience a price correction. Data shows that the stock's net capital inflow amount on September 24th was $63 million. And its net capital outflow amount on September 25th was $4 million. The stock's net capital inflows on September 26th and 27th were $207 million and $170 million respectively, which was significantly higher than the data in previous trading days. This is almost consistent with the performance of trading volume. This reflects that a large amount of capital has flowed into the stock in the last 2 trading days, but this may be the result of capital taking the opportunity to cash out at a high level, which means that the capital flow data of the stock in the last 2 trading days may be in the opposite direction. Let's take a look at the stock's 15-minute chart. We can see that the stock price fluctuated violently in the morning trading on September 26th and generated a large trading volume. As the stock price rose further, there was a large amount of chips selling in the market, but the bulls stabilized the situation and pushed the stock price to rise further. This reflects bullish support for the stock at $156.80. But what we saw with the stock on September 27th seemed a little different. After the market opened that day, the stock price rose strongly and was accompanied by a large trading volume. But then the stock price retreated at the level of $179.60. Although the stock price retracement was not large, the signal of intraday capital selling was very obvious. We return to the stock's daily chart. In the last 2 trading days, the stock has generated large positions at $165 and $176, but most of the stock's current positions are still concentrated in the $122 to $150 area, which is the driving force behind the stock's continued rise. Judging from the trading volume of the stock in the last 2 trading days, the ability of profit-making capital at the bottom to cash out at high levels is limited. This means that even if the stock price pulls back, bulls will not let it go too far because the long capital that drove the stock price up has not completely exited the market. Simply put, I think the stock is likely to experience a price correction next. The reason is that in addition to the slight decline in the price of Bitcoin, the stock seemed to have cashed out a large amount of capital on September 27th, which resulted in a weak intraday stock price increase on that day. Against this backdrop, bears may temporarily take over market pricing power. But as mentioned before, the stock is supported by long capital at $156.80. So it is not easy for short sellers to significantly lower the stock price. Even if the stock price falls further, I predict that it may not fall below $150. Okay, folks, that's my price prediction for MicroStrategy stock. Thank you all for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions about popular stocks later. See you in the next video.